kuonde chwalo chenro mag piny owacho midendo ni Huduma Centers maromo 200 pachoka kaka yo mar konyo jopiny yudo chenrogo mayot. Kolose kinde yawo kar tiegruok mar Kenya Institute of Supplies Management Huduma Center ma Machakos, jagoro mong'ere migawo mar tije piny owacho Amos Gathecha owacho ni chenrono biro neno ni kuonde chung od bura duto ma pachoka od Huduma Center ewi 58 mantiere gie sani. Lalo ni jumani Huduma Center manyien biro yaw Kaloleni, Ganze, Malindi, Maua kod Ikolomani ka kuonde mamoko oting'o Turkana, Sotik e kind mamoko.
Our goal is to make government services easily accessible to all Kenyans, ensuring convenience and allowing them to access services from comfort of their homes. Ladies and gentlemen, Huduma Kenya is rolling out sub-county and constituency Huduma Centers across the country. This is in line with the bottom-up transformation agenda and the Kenya Vision 2030. In the Kenya Vision 2030, we pledge to have each constituency have a Huduma Center. And we have 290 constituencies. So we still have a lot of work to do.
This partnership will see the deployment of a minimum of 4 services, but I'm looking at them as many because there's membership application, renewals, upgrades, license of application, member inquiry, and so many that the CEO will be able to indicate the number of services that will be offered here. But that one will add to the number of services offered in our Huduma Center to 136.